Good morning, friends. We are starting with a proverb. Okay. The proverb is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. What's the meaning of the proverb? Whole day Jack worked and he had no time to play, so Jack became dull. All my little children, you are very intelligent, so we have to play. No work, no homework, no learning. Today we are playing a lot. What kind of play? Guessing game, picture game, and question answer quiz game. And speak a lot. And you can say anything. You can make many noise. But please, everything must be in English. And it would be our spoken English second class. Okay, now start. Look at this picture. Yes, the picture is with his jersey number 18 or 24. Look carefully. Yes, the jersey and the color shows which game? Which game? Yes, cricket. And who is the player? Guess. Modern Indian cricket team's captain. Yes, that's Virat Kohli. Now, look at this minar. A huge building, tall building. Yes, remarkable building. This building is called Qutub Minar, Victory Tower, 238 feet tall. In the year 1193, Qutubuddin Aibak created it. So, two things from Delhi are, yes, Qutub Minar and Virat Kohli. We have connected Virat Kohli, Qutub Minar by linker. That's called cumulative conjunction and. In spoken English playing game, we have to use all kinds of conjunctions. Conjunctions are cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunctions, alternative conjunctions, elative conjunction. Look at this chart and it would improve your spoken English. Now, again another picture, very bright. Yes, this place is famous for Bhangra dance. This is a Gurudwar, a famous temple. What's the name? This is Golden Temple of Amritsar. Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar in the states of Punjab. So where is Golden Temple? Golden Temple is in the states of Punjab. Now look at these pictures. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing which game? Badminton. Can you say the famous Indian badminton female players? Yes, they are Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. Both are from Hyderabad. You have a lot of geographical and GK knowledge, so you can say how many states are there in our country. Yes, 28 plus 1, 29 states and 8 union territories. The latest states are divided from the big states, and such state is Telangana. A part of Hyderabad is in Telangana. 4-columned minar. That's called famous Charminar, 160 feet tall. Kuali Qutub Shahi building. So, from Hyderabad and new state Telangana, the famous things are famous building Charminar and famous persons, players Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. Okay, clear? Now guess another temple. Yes, this is a famous temple. Look at this temple. It's like a chariot, big chariot. And what's this? This is Konark Sun Temple. What's this? This is Konark Sun Temple in the shape of the chariot of the goddess Sun. So this is Sun Temple. Where is it situated? It is situated in Konark, the state of Odisha. Clear? Very good. Now we are going in our own state. Do you know? West Bengal is famous in the whole world, and the whole world is taking hot tea to get rid from coronavirus. And you know, Morocco leather is famous. Persian or French perfumes are famous. Such Darjeeling tea of West Bengal is also world famous. And another famous building of West Bengal is, what's this? Yes, this is Hajarduari. This is Hajarduari in Murshidabad of West Bengal. What's this? This is Hajarduari, Murshidabad. Total area of Hajarduari is about 41 acres. It is also called, another names of Hajarduari are Bada Koti or Nizamul Khila. Height is 80 feet. But most memorable thing is there are 100 false doors and thousands doors, 1000 door. So it is called Hajarduari. In this building, 114 rooms. How many rooms? 114. 114 rooms. Now look at this tall building. Look at this tall memento. Can you say what's this? Yes, this is Shahid Minar. 157 feet tall Minar. Previously British named for their soldiers. Now independent India named that for their freedom fighters and redecorated in 1969. So freedom fighters who died in their Indian independence battle, for their memory this Minar is called Shahid Minar. It is in Kolkata. Do you know famous person of Kolkata who is called as Prince of Calcutta by famous commentator Harsh Bhogle? Yes, that's our Dada Saurabh Ganguly. Now please name some British person who are good to the Indians. Yes, such persons are John Eliot Drinkwater Bethune, established Bethune College. Lord William Bentinck, Tom McAlloy. They helped Indians they helped freedom fighters, they helped social reformers. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Raja Ram Mohan Rai both got their help. Now, both a conjunction. What kind of conjunction? Cumulative conjunction. Clear? Both Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Raja Ram Mohan Rai got help from good English persons. Such a good English queen was Queen Victoria. Lord Curzon established Victoria Memorial. Where is Victoria Memorial? Kolkata, West Bengal. 25 galleries of museum. Clear? So we have shown the pictures and fun. We have made many funs and we have played a lot of games with some famous buildings and famous persons and players, and we talked in total English. You have supported very much. Now, I am Sandeep Ghosh, Udayganj FPS, Karlai Circle. Next part of the proverb, we have to continue the proverb also. The proverb, all play and no work makes Jack a mere toy. So, the proverb explains in this way: whole day Jack played and did not do any homework or online class or virtual class, so he became like a boring toy. Oh my children, you are very intelligent and brave and energetic, so we have to read a little. Now, class 5, lesson 7, page 85. Few questions are there. We have to answer this in playful way. Where is Charminar located? So say Charminar is located in Hyderabad, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, now in Telangana, 29th state of our country. Which famous palace is located in Murshidabad? That's Hajardwari. Where is Golden Temple located? Golden Temple is located in the city Amritsar in Punjab. Which famous monument is situated in Delhi or Delhi? Qutub Minar. Where is the Victoria Memorial situated? Victoria Memorial is situated in Kolkata, West Bengal. Where is Konark Sun Temple situated? Konark Sun Temple is in Konark in the state of Odisha. Do you know the name of any other famous monuments? Yes, I know many famous monuments like Bandel Church, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, etc. Now, we have played a lot and guessed a lot, made lot of fun. We are not going to be a toy. So, let's read. Mita and her classmates. A team of Mita and here and cumulative conjunction. Her classmates, a team of 25 went to Bandel last Saturday with their history teacher. So, Mita, her classmates, total 25 students, last Saturday went to Bandel Church with their history teacher. They visited the Bandel Church. It was their first outing. Outing means excursion. So everybody was excited. The bus started from Chandan Nagar. On their way, the teacher asked them, whether anyone had visited the Bandel church before. Most of them had not, so they remained silent. Mita was an exception, though. She said, with enthusiasm, "Yes, madam, I have visited the place before." So, Mita was an exception. She was the only student who visited previously. "Oh, really? That's great. Tell us what the place is like, Mita," said the teacher. Then, teacher permitted Mita to say something. Everybody was looking at Mita with keen interest. Everybody were focused on Mita. What she says? Mita began, "My uncle who lives there took me to the church." "What did you see there?" asked Anima, one of Mita's friend. Mita was about to speak, just going to speak, when the teacher stopped her. Teacher permitted before, but now teacher is stopping her. She said, "If Mita tells us right now about everything she had seen, we will get familiar with all its details. Let the church remain a surprise to us." Good proposal. Teacher stopped Mita as she wanted to keep it surprise for the students about Bandel church. The teacher smiled and stopped her. Previously permitted, but now she is stopping Mita for their more interest. Sunita, one of the students, asked the teacher, "There are so many places we could have visited. Why have we chosen Bandel church then, madam?" Sunita asked. "There are many fun places, eco park, water park, and many other places around Chandannagar and Bandel. So why have we chosen Bandel church?" The teacher smiled. "A very good question, Sunita." She continued, "Sometimes we visit a place for fun or enjoyment. At times, our visit helps us to gather valuable information about the history and culture of a place." Sunita was curious. "Is Bandel church a historical place, madam?" "Yes, my child. It is one of the oldest church in West Bengal," said the teacher. The teacher cleared Sunita that Bandel church was historical place. Still now, Bandel church is still now a historical place as it is the oldest church. Mita said, "Madam, my uncle told me that it can be seen as a memorial of the Portuguese settlement in Bengal." Settlement means people coming down to live in a certain place. First coming, first settlement, first staying of Portuguese in Bengal. Anima looked confused. Anima was puzzled. "I don't think I quite understand what Mita said." The teacher patiently explained to the girls. "Okay, let me make it clear." Teacher cleared that. How it's a historical place. How Portuguese settled here, stayed here. Around 1571, the Portuguese began to use Bandel as a port. The Mughal Emperor Akbar gave them permission to build a town in Hooghly. So, Portuguese were permitted from the Mughal Emperor Akbar to build a town and port harbor in Hooghly. Here, the Hooghly River, the Ganges, is divided in Bhagirathi, and from the Hooghly district, it is called Hooghly River. The fort was in Bandel. The town was in Hooghly district. In 1579, the Portuguese built a fort on the bank of the Hooghly, that means Hooghly River. They called over Augustinian monks from Goa to build a church at Bandel in 1599. More than 420 years ago, the Bandel church was built by the Hooghly River in Bandel. Who are the monks? Augustinian monks. Who are Augustinian? Followers of Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine. Augustine got the title Saint, as our Agnes Gonhags Bojaxin or Mother Teresa is now known as Saint Teresa. Okay? That's enough. You have done clearly. Please read positively. Read fluently and stay at home. Goodbye.